Dr. Odonga, while speaking to NBS, analyzed the political landscape in Uganda, specifically the creation of a new party known as the Democratic Front. That's the name of the party. Odonga said at the end of his statement that the Democratic Front, for now, is just an NRM envoy. Check his statement.
For Democratic Front to depart from NUP and form a new political party. I am talking as a political scientist, I am talking as a political philosopher, and I'm talking as a politician. The Democratic Front will not make inroads in Uganda. At most, on a very sunny day, they can only get 7 MPs. Because it is a departure. Now ask yourself, I made an effort to register a political party. They denied me. Now why is it that the one of Matthias Mpuuga is on an express track? Why is it express? Why is it like in Kampala and Tebe Express Highway? Why was it cleared on record time? Because the objective is to make sure that NUP is weakened. Why is it that they arrest NUP supporters and they don't arrest the Democratic Front supporters? Why is it that Matthias Mpuuga conducts public rallies and Bobby Wine cannot conduct public rallies? You people, we are not children. We have seen these things. I am an original opposition politician. I joined parliament at 23. So the Democratic Front for now is an NRM decoy.
Now, many of you, since this is a new party, you could be wondering, what is this party? What could this party be? Because, for example, in northern Uganda, it is zero. Nobody knows this party, except just a few who are inquisitive to find more things around Uganda. Let's start with the formation and the launch. We need to know that the party was officially launched on May the 27th, 2025. The leader of this party is known as Honorable Matthias Mpuuga Nsamba, who is the former leader of the opposition, ex-NUP deputy president. This party was formed by rebranding a dormant party known as Green Partisan Party, that is GPP, originally registered in 2010. Now, they have a new certificate which was issued on May the 6th, 2025, just last month, by Uganda's Electoral Commission. There is what motivated. Let's get the background and what motivated the creation of this party. The party was formed after internal disputes between National Unity Platform. Mpuuga fell out with NUP. That is what you already know. He fell out with NUP leader, that is Robert Chagulanyi, commonly known as Bobby Wine, over leadership and ideology. I think this also attached to Mpuuga receiving, I think, around 400 to 500 million. That is what the new people claim. That money was targeted for the bill which was supposed to introduce the electoral reform bill. I think due to now pressure, they'll maybe change the tactic of bringing the bill. But I believe one day that bill will come out through Noban Mohan, the supporter Mpuuga. This aimed to offer a new ethical and disciplined political alternative. That's what Mpuuga and the new party, the Democratic Front, are saying, that they want to offer a new ethical and disciplined political alternative. What is the ideology and the vision of this party? Described as a home for logical thinkers, progressive minds, ethical political actors. They say it focuses on disciplined service delivery and political reform. You must remember that they say it seeks to reshape opposition politics in Uganda, meaning maybe they want to remain in opposition forever. but bringing a new style of opposition. There has been alliances, but also what is their strategy? Let's look into the alliances and the strategy. It was part of the Democratic Alliance, that is DA coalition. They allied with Social Democratic Party, that is SDP, People's Democratic Party, that is PDP, and you should not forget that it aims to build a united opposition front ahead of the 2026 general elections. The party headquarters, where is it located? That's the last thing that I should tell you. It is located in Namasuba town. The party is located in Namasuba town, opposite Freedom City on Kampala and Tebe Road. So that's all that you need to know about the party that Odonga spoke about. Thank you.